Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex. If you're new here, I'm a culture free ME who loves to play with makeup. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today's video is the Beauty collab that I host every Wednesday along with my friends Char's Fashion Nation, Mountain Witch Christine, Erica, Sue's Nails and More, My Nails and More by Jonna, and Pandora Muse 57. Today's look for this week is a fall inspired look. Yes, who's this? Raise your hand if you're excited about that. I know I am. I'm tired of the heat. I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm getting tired of the heat, and it's just like, what the heck? Okay, I'm gonna put my eyeshadow primer on, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I put my eyeshadow primer on and everything. Let's just hurry up and go with this. I am using the Hard Candy Marquee Greek Tragedy palette. This is what it looks like. Beautiful colors. Haven't used this in a while and decided, you know what, since we're going with a nice, fall look, inspired look, I thought it'd fine to be just using this. So we're definitely going to be having fun with these. So I'm going to use ceramic, this shade right here. Just going to put this in the outer V. So I'm actually just going to keep blending this shade here. And then I'm actually just going to keep going with I need to go. I'm going to use Muse, this shade right here. Nice chocolate brown. Just to darken that shade ceramic a little bit. So we're just darkening that shade up because I don't want that like inspired. You gotta have the oranges, you gotta have the greens and the golds and the yellows. Then I'm gonna go back to ceramic a little bit, just using whatever left brush color I got left. I'm thinking I'll use Smolder just a tiny bit, just to. I'm gonna use this brush. Yeah, we're gonna use Smolder just to have a little orange to that. Smolder is this shade right here. I really like this. I like Hard Candy. Hard Candy is really good if I can find them at. And I'm gonna blend that into that color. Because I do want that little pop of orange, but not too much, If the cat's trying to get in the box. The cat likes boxes. Lately, they've been really liking boxes. That's pretty. Think about using 300 as a shimmer. So it is a shimmer, so okay, we're gonna go with, we're gonna go with 300 or oh no. Yeah, we're gonna use 300. This shade right here. There we go. I like that. Ooh, I like this. My first time using that shade. I really do like this. I'm gonna cover that little orange a little bit. I'm not gonna do much right here, but I am gonna add a little color underneath the eye just to smoke it out some. I'm not into the dramatic looks yet. We will be. Russ will be. Very excited for that. So, mascara. No, anytime. Okay. going to use the e.l.f. Volumizing Mascara from e.l.f. It's just very simple ones. Leave it like that, and I'll be right back with the finished look. So this is the finished look. Very excited for fall, even though fall is less than a month. Very excited. You don't know how excited I am. Oh, spring and fall are just like my magical time of the year because it's not so hot. You know what I mean? Oh. So of course, all the products I've used in this video will be down below, and also the girls who is in this collab will also be down below. Make sure you hit the like button so I know you like this look and everything. If you want to be part of the Makeup Addict family, make sure you hit the subscribe button. We're drama free and judgment free here. We welcome everybody here. And of course, make sure the notification bell so you can be notified any new videos I upload. I do go live every Monday at 12 p.m. and on Fridays at 9 p.m. I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you and God bless.